All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna take it on the first drive today. Got the wiring pretty much done. Fuel systems pretty much done for the primary fuel system. Got it started up already. So we'll see how she does on the first drive. All right, I just got back from a drive. Feels like it's running a little rich. I might have the nitrous plugs in it. I can't remember which plugs I stuck back in it. But I know the carb hasn't been cleaned and it's been off for a couple years. So I'll take the carb off, clean it, check my plugs. I might even throw the AFR gauge off of this truck on here. See what it does. I've never had one on this truck before, so. Hopefully in the next video we can take it for another drive. It'll run a little better. Maybe take it out to the racetrack. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.